flowing out of me. Breathe it in. I get the feeling that you feel this too.
pretending we're all grown up. Hey, rich girls, what can you tell me? Why you're so stuck up, necks up down? I'll tell you everything I know, any little thing I know. I'll tell you everything I know, any little thing I know. What a lovely way with words, is that the way I see the world? Just the way I see the world. You got to know. You got to know. We walk around pretending we're all grown up. Hey, rich girl, what can you tell me? Why you're so stuck up, necks up bound? I'll tell you everything I know, any little thing I know. I'll tell you everything I know, any little thing I know. Oh, what a lovely way with words, is that the way I see the world? Just the way I see the world. You got to know. You got to know. You got to know. I went down to your house last week. It was like, come on, man.
Yeah.
shows I've ever been to. Thank you, Holler Deals, for being so amazing and putting together so many great looks and always supporting me. You guys are amazing.
I'll say thank you to all my fans who came out. It was a blast. I appreciate everyone who cheered for me so I wasn't so awkward on stage. And thank you to Holler Deals and the amazing hair team who did this beautiful thing. And for all the makeup artists and everything, thank you everybody.
Just that we're really excited to be a part of local socialite, because there's so many trends that we like personally, and it's not just the website, so it's definitely influenced by us YouTubers, and I love that it comes in more sizes than sticks. Oh my gosh, I had so much fun. I was really, really nervous because I don't know, I thought I was gonna fall or puke or something like that, but I ended up having a blast. It was really fun.
Hola. Hi. I had
had an amazing time. Yeah, shout out to everybody who came, my subscribers who came up to me and said hi, my family, of course. I heard them cheering for me, and my Holler Deals family. Thank you.
Oh my gosh, I had so much fun. I thought I was gonna barf, but I had so much fun. Yeah, I mean, walking to the great music, I was just like, this is amazing. I've never done anything like this. It was always something I like pretended to do when I was a little kid. And now I'm like, wow, I'm actually walking in LA Fashion Week and just being with all the girls, and it was just really fun. Backstage, it was like all hectic and crazy, and then we like go out, and it was really fun. So much fun.
I did have a lot of fun. Yeah. I think the most memorable thing is just actually waiting for it to start. Me and Hart were like freaking out. We're like, and then like the models were giving us tips on what to do. So that was it was fun.